off with this Benefit Professional Primer and applying it on my face, especially on the scars, and it just blurs it out really well. Next, for the foundation, I use this PAC Studio HD foundation. It is very beautiful, but the brush that I chose is not that great, but I ended up liking it. My face all looked even at the end and it's good. Next, for concealer, I use this Wet n Wild concealer to cover all the dark circles and also to spot correct. Yes, I do have scars, right? So I have to spot correct it. So I use this concealer. Even though it is not a very heavy duty concealer, I am really liking this and it's one of my favorite. It is so lightweight, you can really build it up. Now I'm using this smaller, denser brush and I'm pushing the product. I'm not wiping it away, I'm just pushing it. For highlighting, I'm using a lighter shade concealer, a tone lighter than my actual skin tone. So I'm using for highlighting purpose, and I love highlighting because it just elevates your face from rest of your features and it's so great. I really like it, and that's my face after I do my highlighting step. Now I'm blending it using the same small dense brush. Just include the highlighting routine, I think you'll like it. Now I'm setting my face using this translucent powder, not entire face, just on my under eyes and also on my high points, and then I'll dust it away. Then to set my rest of my face, to add some coverage, I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magique powder. I really like this powder because it is so good. I mean, you can really build it up. It is medium to full coverage powder and it's affordable too. Now moving on with eye makeup, I already concealed and set my base with the powder. Now I'm just taking that shade on my blending brush and applying it on the crease area just to warm it up. Next, I'm using this shade, yes, the brick tone shade, and I'm intensifying my crease because I love layering products on my crease so that it just gives more definition. And third, I'm using that red tone shade and also I'm layering it up. Yes, first I'm applying with a flat brush, then I'll blend it out using the blending brush so that I can add the pigment and blend it at the same time. Using that shade to highlight my brow bone area, and then I'll be using concealer to have a prominent lid space so that I can apply more shade. And now for my lid area, I'm using this liquid eyeshadow from Nicka K and applying it directly. I really like it. Now I use this liner to apply my eyeliner on my upper lash line. Now I'm going to apply mascaras and also falsies off camera. Now I'm taking that kajal pencil, applying it really close to my lower lash line, not on the waterline. I have nothing on my waterline now. Now I'm just going to take a small brush and I'm just going to smudge it so that it just looks even, not very harsh. And I'm going to take the crease color that I applied earlier. I'm going to smoke it out on my lower lash line to have that complete eye makeup look. Now I'm going to take the liner and I'm trying to connect my tear duct area. Even though I'm not going to fill it in, I'm just going to leave it like that. Yes, that's how I'm going to do it. And also with the same brow bone highlighting shade, I'm also highlighting my inner corner. Now coming back to my face makeup, I'm taking this contour powder and applying onto my outer perimeter of my face to make my face to look more slender and sculpted. Now for the blush, I'm using this Wet n Wild blush and applying it on the cheek area alone because it has shimmer in it, so I'm being very careful there. For highlighting, I'm using this Bharat & Joris highlighter. It is a very subtle yet very nice highlighter because it just has a nice golden undertone to it and it just suits all skin tone and type. I love this highlighter. And to lock in all that makeup, I'm using this setting spray to spritz it. Now for my lips, I'm using this lip liner first, outlining my lips as well as filling it in. Then I used a lip color, which is a liquid lipstick, and it is too drying. I was not happy with the way it looked, so I added this MAC Retro Matte gloss, and I was like, okay, this looks fine now. I also added the 3 dots on the end of my eye and also my chin area. Now I'm wearing the jewelry. And I hope you all enjoyed this look. If you really did, then do like, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye and happy Navratri, you guys.